There's a reason most people never build real wealth. And it's not because they don't work hard or try to save. It's because the rules they follow are broken. You've been told to cut coffee, cancel subscriptions, pinch every penny. But the truth, that kind of saving gets you nowhere fast. Because it's not just about what you cut, it's about how you save, strategically. And there's one secret rule, rarely talked about, almost never taught in school, that can quietly transform your financial future in just 90 days. Why traditional saving is broken. Let's be honest, most people are exhausted trying to save money. You work hard, put some cash in the bank, and a few months later it's gone. Bills, emergencies, impulse spending, it all chips away. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need to save more, you need to save differently. And that's where the 90-day value rule comes in. The secret, the 90-day value rule. The 90-day value rule is simple, but powerful. Here's how it works. Before you spend money on anything that's not essential, ask yourself one question. Will I still value this 90 days from now? If the answer is no, you don't buy it. This tiny shift doesn't feel restrictive, it feels intentional. You stop wasting money on stuff that loses its meaning within days. And instead, you start building savings on autopilot without feeling like you're missing out. It's not about becoming cheap, it's about spending only on what actually matters long term. And the results, they add up fast. How this changes everything in 90 days. When people start using this rule, something strange happens. In the first 30 days, they realize how much they were spending mindlessly. Things like one-off Amazon buys, trendy subscriptions, food delivery they didn't even enjoy. Random, treat-yourself purchases. By day 60, they have hundreds in their account that used to disappear. And by day 90, they've built a buffer. Some even have $1,000 or more saved without ever feeling like they were budgeting. Because the rule doesn't restrict, it redirects. Real-world impact. A case study? Take Emily. She wasn't reckless with money, just unaware. Every month, she'd wonder where her paycheck went. No vacations. No investments. No peace of mind. She tried budgeting apps, spreadsheets, even cutting her gym membership. Nothing worked until she found the 90-day value rule. By applying it strictly, she cut her monthly spending by $600 without cutting joy. She still bought what she loved, just not what she temporarily wanted. Fast forward 3 months. Emily had $1,800 in savings, and a plan to invest her buffer into a high-yield savings account and passive income tools. One question changed her trajectory. It can do the same for you. Why this works when other strategies fail. Other saving methods feel like punishment, this one feels like empowerment. Because most people fail to save consistently not due to lack of willpower, but because their strategy fights human psychology. We spend to feel better, we justify every purchase. But when you anchor spending to long-term value, your brain shifts. You start seeing money as a tool, not a trap. You stop impulse buying and start wealth building. Stacking the rule for max results. Want to go further? Stack the 90-day value rule with these simple tweaks. Automate your savings. Set an auto transfer for the amount you didn't spend. Use a separate savings account. Track wins weekly. Watch your progress grow. Momentum matters. Celebrate value-based purchases. When you do spend, you'll feel zero guilt. You're not cutting your lifestyle, you're cutting waste. Big difference. Final thought. Will you keep ignoring it? Most people will hear this and move on. Back to paycheck to paycheck. Back to broken savings plans, back to regret. But a few will actually try this. A few will test the 90-day value rule, watch their account grow and feel something new. Control. So the only real question is, will you be one of the few? Or just keep hoping things magically change? The choice, like your money, is in your hands. If this opened your eyes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real financial truths no one else is teaching, because sometimes the tiniest rule changes everything.